Here from Pixie Site. So I'm going to show you how to add in your billing information for your Squarespace website. So this is choosing a plan, popping in your account details so that you are able to pay for your monthly subscription to Squarespace. You need to be able to do this before you can set your site live. So let's take a look. So we're just here on the normal home dashboard of your website, and we're going to go down to settings. So click on settings. And then in here, you're going to find billing and click on billing. So in here, you can see that we've got subscriptions, payment information, and any of your invoices. So over in the middle here, you can see when the trial expires for your Squarespace website. So you just need to make sure that you pop in your choose your plan and pop in your payment details before that trial expires. So let's go ahead and click on that there. And I'm just using one of the Fleur templates that I've got as an example here. So you can see that we've got upgrade your website subscription. I've got 100 days left in the free trial. So I'm going to go ahead and click on upgrade. And in here, it's going to show me information about the different plans and what I get out of those plans. So if you are a very straightforward store, what we call a brochure site, so it's just showing information, there's no extra features, it's not e-commerce, there's most likely no plugin third-party features, then you may be able to get away with just using this personal plan here. So this is in US dollars, so that's currently $12.80 per month. But the most popular is the business plan. So even if you are an e-commerce business, you are able to use this business plan for basic e-commerce selling. If you would like more advanced features in e-commerce, such as when it has featured products and being able to add on products, then you would need the Commerce Basic or higher. So most people, I suggest to use this business one here, especially if they've got any custom coding and things in there as well. Plus you can get a little bit better analytics, but it is not necessary. So just scroll down, check out those extra features that you get with the ticks next to it to see which plan you need. So once you've chosen your plan, just go ahead and click on select. And then of course it's going to bring you to the payment information. So all you need to do is fill out your payment information here. And if you've had a template from me, or it's a website with me or someone who is a Circle member, which is a Squarespace Circle member, then you get a discount from them as well. So just pop in your details. Of course, if it is for your business and your business is registered, then make sure that you use your business details. Once you've popped that in, just save and continue. And it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.